Okay, we've got our Z06 bolted down on the dyno, strapped down, ready to do some dyno runs. We're going to make a couple different runs here, check our power increase with the Billy Boat Performance exhaust. So right now I'm about 10 feet behind the car, and I'm checking our sound level. Which we're at about 76. Now we'll go ahead and do a dyno run and see where we're at on the power. Well, we have to be pretty happy with these results. Our stock Z06 dynoed at 450 horsepower, 424 foot-pounds of torque. With the Billy Boat Performance exhaust system, we dynoed at 460 and 431. We're pretty happy with that gain. You can also see that we really gained a bunch of horsepower in the lower RPM ranges from 2,500 to 4,000. We really took a dip out of the curve and straightened that up. So overall, we're very happy with these numbers. Let's go see what it sounds like.